Mag-follow up lang po on impeachment. May we know for the record, ano po yung naging tugon ng House dun po sa hininging information and documentation po ng Supreme Court on the impeachment case?
Nilinaw ng House of Representatives sa Supreme Court na lahat ng naging actions ng House of Representatives ay ayon sa internal rules and regulations nito at ng konstitusyon. Yung tatlong impeachment complaints na na-receive ng December were acted upon within the 10 session day requirement of the Constitution. And the fourth impeachment complaint was acted upon also within the bounds of the Constitution as well, where we had 215 members of the House of Representatives signing before the Secretary General the complaint before it was transmitted to the Senate. And dun sa ibang matters that were asked by the Supreme Court, these were actions done within the internal rules and regulations of the House of Representatives, which fall under its legislative powers as a co-equal body.
Ano po yung particular na response nyo po dun sa hinihingi ng Korte Suprema in relation with kung nabigyan ba ng opportunity si VP Duterte na sagutin yung po mga ebidensya na inihain laban sa kanya? Kung nasuri po ba ng mga House members yun pong mga articles of impeachment bago po pirmahan at i-transmit sa Senate? At kung ano po yung batayan ng kapangyarihan ni Secretary General para po wag i-transmit agad yung impeachment complaints sa Office of the Speaker?
Sinisiguro ng House of Representatives na yung right to due process ni Vice President Sara ay natugunan sa buong proseso. At lahat ng mga naging actions ng House of Representatives ay pasok sa internal rules and regulations na ginawa nito regarding the initiation of the impeachment complaint. It is imperative also to recall that the initiation of an impeachment complaint lies solely with the House of Representatives.
Yun po yung paliwanag nyo po dun sa binigyang diin ng House na meron pong exclusive authority on internal deliberations?
Yes. Opo. Na lahat naman po yan ay ayon dun sa kapangyarihan ng House sa paggawa nila ng kanilang internal rules and regulations at pasok din ito sa kapangyarihan ng House of Representatives na binibigay ng saligang batas.